Hi, this is Phil Shapiro. I'm making this little lesson to help you learn how to play baritone ukulele. We're going to play some melody notes along with the guitar duet Ave Maria, Bach Gounod by Michael Chapdelaine on YouTube. It's gorgeous, beautiful music, and Michael has done an amazing job. And you're going to be playing along with Michael as the second guitar part. Now, I'm going to break this down into little sections that you can practice. And then after you practice one section, you can practice playing with Michael. And after you have the confidence, then you can go on and try another section. And all of my lesson here is just for the first minute. So for the first 15 seconds, we just listen to Michael play. He plays gorgeous. And then over here, we're going to play, I think, 5 or 6 notes on the second string up. So this is the second from the bottom. And we are in the 5th fret. So the 5th fret, and there's a white dot here in the 5th fret on this baritone uke. And you can see a black dot here on the 5th fret so that you can look down and make sure that you're in the correct fret. Okay? So we're going to listen, and it's going to go like this. We're going to play this note here, and then the next one is going to be in the 6th fret, and then we're going to go to the 8. So it's going to be 5, 6, 8. Then we're going to jump back to 3 and then 5. So it's going to sound like this. Doom, 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 doom. So you can see my finger. I'm using this is my pointy finger. Boom, 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 boom. So it's 5th fret, 5, 6, 8, 3, 5. And it's at that same pace. I'm playing kind of at the same pace as Michael Chapdelaine. So practice that a few times. See if you can get it. Boom, 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 boom. Now the next part is going to be sort of like a ladder, where we touch the top rung of the ladder and then we walk up. We're going to go to the top, the higher note, and we're going to walk back up the ladder. So that the top note we want is right underneath here on the 5th. Same in the 5th fret. We're going to come down to the bottom string, and it's going to go like this. Bing! And then we come up. So that's the little phrase we're going to go for. But what I'd like you to practice first is the last part. It goes dee-dum, dee-dum. So I'd like you to practice the open string here on the bottom, and then dum. It's on the 3rd fret. So I'd like you to practice dee-dum, dee-dum, dee-dum. So that's the end of that little ladder thing that we're going to do. And here's the beginning part. It's going to go Do you see that little thing dee-dum at the end? I'll play it again. D-dum, right, the D-dum. And the rest, I'm playing this bottom note here. And then the next thing I'm going to play is up on the 3rd string here, 2nd fret, and it's going to go boom. Then the open string on the 2nd. It's going to go bing. I like the D-dot part. It's kind of fun to play that. Even if you don't play a lot of ukulele, it's fun just to do dee-dum, dee-dum. And if you're learning this and you're an older brother or an older sister, try and see if you can teach some of this to your younger brother or younger sister. because they might not learn the whole thing, but they can learn some of it. And then they can think of themselves as a musician. So you could teach them the D-dum. I like the D-dum. Now, we've got the first part and then the second part. Now the third part is, so we did D, do, and then yes, then we come over here to, we're here on the bottom string here, and in the 3rd fret. The starting note is here, and we're going to do that same kind of thing. We're going to stay the ladder. We're going to go to the top note, and then we're going to go boom, 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 back up to the top note, okay? And we're also going to do another D-dum. This is also going to have a D-dum. The D-dum over here, let's practice the D-dum. That's the last part, and it's going to go like this. The D-dum is on the 2nd string, D-dum, 2nd string on the 3rd fret and 1st fret. Let me come up close so you can see. That's the D-dum for that little second part, okay? Let's call it the second ladder. So we have the first ladder and the second ladder. It's going to be B, B. That's our second ladder. Remember, here's the first ladder. Whoops, sorry. The first ladder is, let me get this right. That's D-dum, and then so we have 2 ladders. We have that first little part that's quite simple. We have 1 ladder, 2 ladders, and then we have a 3rd ladder. Here's a 3rd ladder, and it's going to go up high. We're going to go on the bottom string all the way up, I think, to the 7th fret. And then this walking up the ladder, when we walk up the ladder here, we're going to do it on the 2nd string, and I like to call it the even ladder because we're going to go in the second string. It's going to be on the 1st fret, and then the 3rd, and then the 5th, and then the 7th. So it's going to be. Whoops. Let me see if I remember this, get it right. Right, that's how it goes. So this is maybe called the second ladder. We go up high, bing, on the 7th fret. This is our 3rd ladder. Bing. I call it the even ladder because it's 1, 3, 5, 7. Maybe I could call it odd, but it's counting by 2s. The reason I call it even is counting by 2s on the 2nd fret. So that's a da-da. And the da-da, and the 3rd thing is here, it's da-da, it's on the 2nd fret, on the 3rd string, to the open string on the 2nd. Da-da, da-da. So, let's see if I can put this all together, see if I can play this along with Michael Chapdelaine, and I'll call out, like 1st ladder, 2nd ladder, 3rd ladder. Maybe I'll call it out. So here's Michael Chapdelaine on my laptop, and it's such a pretty piece. First ladder. D-da. Second ladder.